that brought us here. Come on. Come on. Let them go first. Hey, there's no water in the box.
No?
I've done that before. It just splashes it in. I'll let it sit.
Nicely done.
Very nice. Yes. Textbook.
Just stay on the throttle. Just stay on the throttle. Just stay on the throttle.
More throttle. Yeah, more throttle.
Or the throttle.
Oh, Lord.
Got it.
That was good. I saw the smile. I saw the smile.
See?
See, I love that sound. The top of the air box I've got to cut out. Oh, yeah. And as soon as it smells water. Yeah, it did right.
Just pin it, Fred. Pin it.
Here goes Dad. Air box just funneled all that water right into there.
I did it, you can do it. I have faith in you.
Yeah, the breeze is about here. Hey, my boots are waterproof. There you go. They're standing to the top. They're standing to the top.
Well, that's what I told you. Were you taking it across? No, I ain't walking back through that. Weight back, light on the bars. What?
What'd he say?
We'll come get you.
You can swim.
I think you're. You think so? I thought it was better over there. Well, who knows?
I don't know.
Just stay on the throttle. Don't let off the throttle. Just pin it. Yeah, get it. That's all right. It ain't